Hello everyone, and welcome back to the RPA Bot Builders YouTube channel, the only channel where you can find tips, tricks, and tutorials on how to quickly and easily build your own RPA bots with Automation Anywhere's A2019 software environment. Today we're going to cover how to use the if command within our bots. So you may be wondering, what is an if command? Well, many business processes that are good candidates for automation involve some type of decision point that is based on a condition. That's where the if command comes in. It's the primary conditional command in A2019 to allow your bots to evaluate a condition and execute different resulting commands based on that evaluation. So this is an overview of the bot we're going to build today. We're going to check if a certain file exists in a specific folder, and based on whether that's true or false, we'll execute different commands. In the case of it being true, we'll display a message that the file was found and open the file. If it turns out to be false, we'll display a message that the file wasn't found. So we've moved over to the A2019 software environment. I've already created a folder where I'm going to create this taskbot and save it. So I'm going to go ahead and select Create Taskbot. We'll call it if command and select Create and Edit. So the first step that we're going to take here is search for the if command and select if and drag it into our workflow. So we can already start to see the visual representation of how the code will execute. We're going to go over to the right, and selecting on condition shows us all of the options that we have to use as conditions for evaluating the if command. We're going to select File Exists to check if our file exists. So I'm going to select Browse to search on my PC for the file. And I am going to look for this world population Excel sheet. So I'll select it and click Open. Once I've navigated to the file, I'm going to hit Apply and Save. Our next step is to decide what commands to execute within this rectangular box should the condition evaluate to be true. So I'm going to go over to the left and select my message box, and I'll type File was found. Additionally, I want to open the file. And to avoid browsing for it again, I'll go back to my if condition and copy the path over to this field. You could also use a variable for these file paths. Finally, I want to create an alternate condition if the if command evaluates to false. So I'll go back to my if and select else. You can see in the flow view the else connects to the if command. That's because the else is evaluating on the same condition and offering an alternate execution path. I'll put another message box in the else and say file was not found. We're now ready to run the bot. So we see that our message says the file was found. I'll hit close, and our file will open for us. So I'm going to go ahead and run this one more time to see the alternate execution path occur by deleting the file. We'll hit run, and our message box tells us that the file was not found. I hope you enjoyed the video and saw how easily you can incorporate the if command into your RPA bots. If you liked the video, hit the like button. Please subscribe to the channel to see more of these tutorials. And if you have any questions or comments, post them below in the comment section. Thanks, and see you next time.